Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design this part and make assembly and also to make exploded view like this in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks for unit and sure select in millimeter gram second. Okay, we start make first part in here. So right click on front plane, just click sketch. First we can draw center line from the center to top and draw corner rectangle here to here and draw here to here. We can set for thickness in here in 18. So here you can set in 18 millimeter. Then for the length, total length in here 174. This line to the center line in 174 millimeter. Yes. And for distance here to here in 55 millimeter. So this line to this line here in 55 millimeter. Then here have thickness in 14, so make here in 14 millimeter. Total length this to this in 64. Automatically this line to this here in 64 is correct. Don't forget to set high in here. This face to this top in here, we can see the diameter here in 46. So the distance the center of hole to bottom face in 50. So we can to make it round fillet. So 50 plus uh, a half of 46 is 23. So 50 plus 23 is 63. Okay, total in here in 63 millimeter. Okay, it's easy. Then we can to make corner rectangle again. Draw from here to here. Set for distance this in 14 millimeter, and for distance this edge in 24. So this line to this line in 24 millimeter, like this. So after that we make sketch like this. Just click mirror entities and it's mirror, left click or select all line, and when about just click this center line, click OK. And now we can to trim entities for this line, this line, this line, this line, this line. Then we can to extend entities for this, 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 and we can do trim entities again for this line, this line, this line, and this line, like this. Okay, here is 63 because a half of here have diameter in 46, so a half of 46 is 23. 23 plus 50 is 73. Okay, then we can ensure for the length in here in 174 like this, and distance here automatically in this to this in 64 is correct, like this. Just click feature and click extrude boss or base. For direction, change in mid plane. For symmetry part, total width in 46. So set in here in 46 millimeter. Just click OK. Now here we can do round fillet with click on feature, click fillet, and for fillet type select on full round fillet. Item to fillet, first select this face, second select this face, and the last select this face. Just click OK and done like this. Now click again fillet, round fillet, click this face, and second click this face, and last click this face. Click OK, like this. It's so easy. And here you can see have radius in 4, so we can say fillet type change in constant size fillet, and symmetric in here change in 4 millimeter. For radius, select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. The last is this edge. Click OK, and we can to draw make a rib in here within 10 millimeter. So right click on front plane, click sketch, just make a line from here to here. Don't forget to set for distance this center of hole to this edge in 12 millimeter. So we can set for this edge to this in 12 millimeter. Just click feature and click rib. For thickness, keep on both sides. 10 millimeter for thickness direction to bottom like this, correct. Just click OK, and done. Now we can to mirror this rib to here. With mirror, feature the mirror, select this rib, and mirror face or plane, just select on right plane. Click OK, and done. It's easy like this. And we can to make scan like this here. So right click on this face, just click sketch, draw to circle. Ensure this circle in here, this point, click Ctrl on your keyboard and select this point, just click make vertical. And ensure this point, click Ctrl on keyboard and click this edge, just click make concentric. Okay, make concentric. I repeat in here, this center to this edge, click Ctrl, click make concentric. Then we can to set for diameter. Outer in here have diameter 28 and hole in here diameter in 14. First in 28 and second in 14. Like this. Now we can to select feature and click extrude cut. For here, click on selected contour, just click inner circle, diameter in 14, just click this sketch, and for direction change in through all above. Like this. Click OK. Now click again on sketch 3, click extrude boss or base, but for selected contour just select this circle or this sketch, have diameter in 28. Here we can see the total this face in 32. So 64 minus 14 minus 14 minus 22 is 4. So 4 divided 2 is 2. So thickness here to here in 2 millimeter. So change in here 2 millimeter, direction in blind, and here we can see radius also in 2. So we can to click OK. And like before, click mirror, feature the mirror, click this feature or boss extrude so, and mirror face or plane, click in right plane to make here. Click OK. And don't forget to set fillet. Set fillet in 2 millimeter for radius in here, 2 millimeter. Select this edge and select this edge. Click OK. And done. It's easy. Don't forget in here have 4 hole diameter in 10. So right click on this face, click sketch. We can to draw center line from this midpoint. From this point to this center to the top in here to this point. So we can draw circle from here. Set for circle diameter in 10 millimeter, set in 10 millimeter. Then for this center to this center line, have this set in 24, set in 24 millimeter. And for this point to this center line, have this hole to this hole have distance in 150. So set in 150 millimeter. Like this. Then just click mirror entities, and its mirror select this circle, mirror about, click this center line, click OK, and click again mirror entities, click this circle and select this circle. For mirror about, just click this center line. Click OK. Now click feature and click extrude cut. For direction change in through all. click OK, and done. It's easy and simple to make first part. So we can to change for color, set all dimension, change the color in here. Maybe this color in green, like this. Click OK. Okay, its first parts is finished, like this. So we can to make another part in here, part 2 in here, like a roller. So first we can save this part, save as. I save in here, the name is part 1, like this. You just click save, but in here I just save in part 1. Okay, we can to save as in here, part 1 actors. Yes, click save. The part 1 is finished. So we can to make another part, click on top in here, click new, click part, and click OK. For background we can change in plain white. So we make sketch like this, just like on right plane B. Just click sketch, click on center line, draw from here to this point to this, like this. We can see in here outer diameter in 56. So diameter in here, this point to this center line in here have diameter in 56 millimeter, like this. And now we can draw circle from this point, diameter in 14 millimeter. And we can to draw a line, this, 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 this to this, like this. And here set here 24. So this line to this line set in 24 millimeter, and this line here have width in 2 millimeter. Automatically in here to this in 28 millimeter. Appropriate this drawing. So in the center in here have the whole diameter in 14. So we can set for this line to this center line in 14 millimeter. Just click mirror entities and select this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line. For mirror about, before mirror, don't forget in here have diameter in 25. So this line to this center line here sets in 25 millimeter, like this. Okay, just click mirror entities in this mirror, select this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line. For mirror about, just click on this center line, click OK, and we can to trim entities for this. We just need a half of circle like this, and click feature, click revolve boss or base. For axis of revolution, just click on this center line, click OK, and done. Now we can to set for radius in here in 2 millimeter, set fillet radius in 2 millimeter for this edge and this edge. Click OK, and done. We can to change for this color, select all feature, click this icon, maybe the color is yellow, and we can to save part, save as part 2 in here, part 2 exercise in here. Just click save. Now we can to make the last part in here, click new and click part again, click OK. For background plain white, then we can to make like a pin in here. So like front plane, click sketch, just draw center line, here to here, and make a line here, here, here to here. So set for the length, this line in 70 millimeter. Then for this line to this center line, diameter in here in 14. Click feature and click refer boss or base, click yes, automatically axis of revolution to center line. Just click OK. Don't forget to set chamfer. Chamfer here 2 by 45 degree. So for distance chamfer in here in 2 millimeter, and for angle in 45 degree, select on this edge and this edge. Click OK. Now we can change for color. Click this icon, maybe in the color in here. Just click OK. And we can save this part. Click save as. Save, the name is part 3. So we can do assembly part 1 until part 3 in here. Just click this icon. Click make assembly from part or assembly. So automatically in open document we can see part 1 until part 3. Or you can browse, but in here is available. So click Ctrl on your keyboard, select part 1, part 2 and part 3. Just on this, left click and click here, left click and click on here. Okay, part 1, part 2 and part 3. For background we can change in plain white like this. Now we can to right click and rotate the brush like this. We can to make assembly with mate. Just click mate in here. For first we can use a standard mate. So select this face of hole and select this face of hole. Just click on concentric, click OK. Then we can to use this roll in the middle with mate with click advance. For advanced matte selection, just click on width in here. Width selection, click on this face and select on this face. And for tab selection, click on this face and this face. Click OK. And done. Automatically here have same distance here to here and here to here. And don't forget again to make pin here on here with click matte. Click standard matte, click this face of hole and click this face. Click concentric and click OK. Then click advanced matte to click width. For tab selection, sorry, we can to adjust, left click on here like this. But for symmetric, like before, click matte, click advanced, click width, and width selection, just click on this face and this face. And for tab selection, you also can select on this face and this face. Click OK and done. Now here have same distance. Click matte in here. We can check in evaluate. Click measure. Click this face and this face. Normal distance in 3 millimeter. And here we can check in here. This face and this face. Normal distance in 3 millimeter is correct in the center like this. Now we can to make this assembly to explode view. Just click this configuration manager, right click and click new explode view. Here for explode step, first just click on this part or part 3. We can set for X direction like this, adjust, and we can also adjust for distance, maybe in 80 millimeter for example. Just click done. And for second step, we can select this again, this sketch. Now we can to set on Y direction, maybe in 80 millimeter too, for example. Click done. And the last, click on this part or part 3 in Y direction in 80 millimeter, for example, in here. Click done. Just click OK. Now we can see, right click and click, right click here. We can click this and here we have explode view 1. Right click on here and click animate collapse like this and done. And we can also click animate explode. this. Okay. Thank you for watching alien video. I apologize if there are any mistake or errors in this tutorial. Is perfect for beginner to exercise or running in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching alien video. See you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.